Hey guys, and welcome back to How to Guide. In this video, we're gonna look at how to connect services to your Upwork profile to log in easily. Now let's begin. Well, as you can see, I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. This right here is the interface, and initially, what we need to do is simply click on the top right corner. That's your profile picture. Profile and account. Simply click on it, and then right from there, something like this will open up. Well, here's your profile, stats and trends, but we're only gonna focus on account settings. Once you're in the account settings tab, initially you'll be in the contact info section. Right under user settings, if you scroll down, you'll see something like connected services. Click on the button right here, and from here it's gonna give you two options. Whether you can sign in using Google or sign in with Apple. You can add both services as you wish, but for now I'm only gonna connect my Google account. I'm gonna click on this Google button right here, and something like this will open up. I'm just gonna select the Google account of my choice. And guys, that's it. We have successfully connected our Google account. Likewise, you can connect your Apple account as well. And that's it guys. That's how we connect services in your Upwork account to log in easily. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time. Thank you.